It's 5:41, so I'm running like 10 minutes late, but my friend lives like 10 minutes from here. But the car's all packed, with my stuff at least. I did take up like half the trunk, hope their stuff fits. I'm an overpacker for sure. Good morning! Woo! Road trip, road trip, road trip. Ew, these are so dirty. I'm so hungry. I'm like really complaining a lot right now, I'm sorry. My camera's just chilling. Feel free to pick it up and start
saying stuff?
Yeah, or like surveying the land. That's I don't know.
Oh my god, they won't stop surveying any of the land in New Jersey this summer. We're doing it, guys, we're doing it!
Okay, so yeah, Taco Bell doesn't open until 9 and I'm really sad about it.
Yeah, I'm so sad my Polaroid is broken.
Alright, we're going to Wawa. Okay.
Okay, that green bag.
Bye.
I trust it.
We're hour and 45 in.
Whoopsies.
We're gonna
It's a little bumpy here in Maryland.
Yeah.
A little mountainous.
Go stop and get some coffee and take a poop.
Probably. Yeah, definitely.
Elizabeth brought me a cup! Thank you, Elizabeth.
We match.
It's sweaty.
Wow, look at you with your cup and those shoes.
Thank you.
Oh my god.
Here.
We're surviving.
I hope we find a troll in the caverns.
So next stop is the Caverns. Rating that Starbucks experience. And Elizabeth got macchiatos. Bathrooms 10 out of 10.
I only used the bathroom, so I was
Yeah.
the official bathroom tester. And
Oh my god, thank you for
I
touching my
felt
camera.
safe and sanitary.
Overall experience 10 out of 10.
Yeah, the people were really nice. People like actually said hello, how are you, and like thank you, have a good day. Oh.
Bye bye.
This dumb and spicy nation.
To pick one. Floral down.
Chickens.
Snow cone down.
Okay, let's do one more and then we'll save some for later.
It's a ration our bad live.
There's a lot.
It's a pretty new book. Yeah, I think we've only used a couple pages out of it.
Oh, a page from a girl's diary.
Oh,
juicy.
Spicy.
Noun.
Packaged underwear.
Noun.
Barbie Dreamhouse.
Verb ending in ing.
Assaulting. Oh my god, there's a guy named Chad that is the garbage man for our street at work. So tall, dark, and handsome.
Ooh.
He is not like any other Chad I've ever met.
Hey, here's a page from a girl's diary. This is a spicy entry in Daria's diary. When he looks at me with those sweaty eyes, it makes me laugh.
Are you crying?
Toxic masculinity.
I'm not crying, I'm sweating out of my eyeballs. We're an hour and a half away. Yellow car.
Are we officially in Virginia? I think so,
Fairfax is
right?
Virginia, yeah, or in Virginia. We may have been in Virginia for a second, honestly.
Yeah, that's alright.
I made it to the Caverns.
Which is one of the largest caverns in Eastern America. I saw on TikTok that you can put the gas cap right here.
Dang, yes.
This. I did it! Woo!
Cavern review.
I liked it. There was-
Cavernous.
10 out of 10. Been here before. Just
10 out
found
of
out
10.
I've been here before.
Yeah. We're going to Cracker Barrel for lunch, ladies.
Ew.
Loud things, but was it even a road trip if you didn't go to Cracker Barrel?
On the road for 12 hours.
Ladies, we've made it to the Carolinas.
Oh, I don't know if I got it.
I really did not do that well. I just like hurt my back. I don't know. Room tour! Hey ladies, we got a whole ass fucking apartment. We got a little kitchen, seating area. Me and Elizabeth are sharing the king. Got our own bathroom in here. A queen up here.
I was coming.
Their own bathroom. Oh.
Hi. Oh, it's 10:30 at night.
My pillowcase was fuzzy, so I'm like rolling it.
Good morning, it's day 2.
Oh shit, I didn't even talk to the vlog. Hey vlog!
Woo!
Good morning.
We're gonna go see if they have breakfast. Woo!
Who wants breakfast?
We want to see if the hotel has breakfast. Oh, can I just review our bed real quick though?
Yeah.
That bed, very comfortable.
Yeah.
I usually hate hotel beds. I mean, it also helped though that I had my own pillow and blanket. I'm sure you agree. We brought our own pillows and blankets because the sheets were questionable. The actual comfort level of the bed, 10 out of 10.
Oh my God, there's a smoochie out here.
Thank you.
Oh, I'll let you smell me first. I'm sorry.
Bye, my friend. So there was no breakfast and I'm sad about it. But we saw a dog, so it was worth it, you know? We're going to Charlotte, downtown. I did my nails last night.
A toast waffle wax toaster. Shopping at Lulu.
I dropped a bag, not gonna lie.
I tried a shirt on, it was too small. Steph bought boots! Look at her boots she bought! Steph bought some boots! Yes, Steph!
I was a shark. Hello, we're at the retreat. The cabin is very cute.